Hello my beautiful soul tribe, welcome back to my channel. This is Neetu. We have already completed first half of 2021. We are in July already, so I thought this is the right time for us to check in the energies for the next 6 months. Like what is that we can expect, what are the suggestions, guidance, or anything that our spirituality wants to bring to our attention and keep us prepared for the coming months of 2021. So that is what today's pick a card reading topic is. What is that we can expect in the next 6 months or the second half of 2021? All right, so you know already how to do the selection and all that, but I'll quickly tell this again if you're new to my channel. So we have 3 piles here, pile number 1, 2 and 3, and I'll also be placing the object on top of each pile. You can select the pile as it is or with a visual prop that I'm going to place on each of the pile. And then once you make your selection, you can scroll down into the description box and click on the timestamps that is in reference to your particular pile, and that is going to be your reading. All right, let's place the object now. For group number 1, we have Ganesha. For group number 2, we have Happy Man or Happy Buddha. With a sack full of gold. Okay, so for group number 3, we have a turtle or tortoise, and it has some Vastu numbers here: 4, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 6. See which one is calling you, which one is grabbing your attention, and you can select more than one pile. There is no right or wrong, but I'll be starting with group number 1 now. Group number 1, welcome to your reading. So if you have selected Ganesha, this reading is for you. Immediately for you, group number 1, I'm hearing some sort of break in chain, like you're getting out of certain pattern or a manifestation. If it was pending, if you have been asking about something, if you have been trying to manifest something the entire 2021 or even from past year, this manifestation is what is going to arrive in next 6 months is what I'm hearing. Like if you were told time and again that there is a divine timing in play, you'll have to wait for the right time, and if your patience was tested so badly, and you were like, wow, when is this going to happen? Is this going to happen at all? And if this is you, definitely in the next 6 months you can expect this manifestation to happen and get into your reality, and you'll be able to enjoy this manifestation that you have been trying to bring into your life. So some sort of obstacle is being removed. The divine timing is here. The time is now. You're approaching your divine timing, and anything that was pending for you is going to happen. It's long due. It is coming. Your manifestation is coming in next 6 months is what I'm hearing. That is wonderful already. Group number 1. Wow. For some of you, it is a manifestation of love, relationship, partnership, marriage. If you have been waiting for your person to propose, or if you have been waiting for the right person to come into your life, I'm seeing that happening very fast now. Group number 1, like the door is going to open, like you have been banging on this door and it never opened, and you felt like, wow, it's better I give up because there is no point, and you have reached this frustration point, this breaking point, and now the universe is telling you, you know what, you have been waiting, the divine timing is here. Whatever that you have been trying to manifest, this divine timing is here finally, and it's time for us to bring in this manifestation into your life. You have learned something. You have been going through some difficult process of spiritual learning and things like that. It is coming to an end, like a cycle coming to an end, like you're breaking out of a pattern, and now you're entering into the fruitful place, a place where everything starts growing. Like you'll see things happening much faster to you, and things coming together, puzzles like puzzle coming together, or a missing piece of the puzzle, you find it suddenly, metaphorically speaking, or even literally things are coming together. All right, and And some of you, it is about getting into your personal power. I'm getting a lot of choking energy in my throat chakra, in my throat, like something was hidden, or something was deep inside of you. You were afraid to express. Like now you are getting into your power. You'll be expressing your truth. You'll be standing in your ultimate truth, and you will be speaking your truth. You are not going to shy away from the world, and that is what is going to happen in the next 6 months, where you will be standing in your full power, full authenticity, and you're not going to be afraid of speaking your mind, speaking your heart, and you'll be doing things that is in alignment to your soul's desire. And for majority of you, it is about manifesting your soulmate, or something that was meant to happen, destined to happen, in terms of a relationship or a emotional connection, or a contract, or a business deal. There is something that is divinely planned. You're getting into your soul purpose, your divinely planned a space. You're entering into this place of divine timing, finally, group number 1, and that is a super amazing for you. Look at that. We have a lot of green going on here, and we have a chest. I don't know what it is. It is glowing though with all the golden color, and it says fulfillment of wishes. Yeah, your wishes is about to get fulfilled, group number 1. And then we have spiritual union. Again, we have this is 2 of cups energy, like this one, and exactly your heart's desire is finally coming true in next 6 months. Whatever you have been wishing for, trying to manifest, doing all the rituals, doing all that you thought is going to bring you close to your dream, you are approaching closer to your dream. It is working. The divine timing is here, and everything is happening as it should, and you're finally arriving at your destination of your manifestation, where you can savor it, literally enjoy your manifestation and the fruit of your labor, fruit of your patience. And your patience is paying off now. That is what I'm getting for you, group number 1. This is amazing. You can expect amazing miracles, out of thin air is what I'm hearing. Like you can manifest anything out of thin air now. Like divine timing is in your favor for the next 6 months. Like whatever you set your mind on, energies are in your favor. Whatever you want to wish to bring into your life, universe is going to help you, as long as it is in alignment with your spiritual path, your spiritual lessons, and whatever that you are here to experience this lifetime. You are ready. It is ripe and ready to enter into your life, and things are going to take flight now. That is what they are showing. Like it is going to take flight. There is no delay anymore. There is no waiting period anymore. You have reached the space of entering into the divine timing period, where things starts to show up easily into your life. That is super amazing for you, group number 1. Magician and the mirror and community. Yeah, gathering, get-togethers, meeting people, whatever was pending, whatever that you wanted to do in life, that you have been putting aside because of this manifestation that didn't happen, or you probably had lost sort of hope and wondering, wow, is this ever going to happen? And the answer is yes, and it is going to happen really, really soon. And this is also about community and magic in the mirror. This is also giving me the energy of alchemy, like turning lead into gold, sort of a energy, like Midas touch, or Midas touch, whatever that you call, like whatever you touch is going to turn into gold sort of energy. Like you're entering into this divine timing space, where whatever you are willing to manifest, or whatever that manifestation is pending in your life, it is about to enter into your life, and things are going to align much smoothly, and things are going to happen much rapidly for you in the next 6 months. You can expect a lot of good news, manifestations. You can expect community gathering, get-togethers, and celebration. For some of you, this is definitely about marriage celebration. Also, you may be planning your wedding, your guy or girl, whatever it is, like they may propose and taking things to the next level. There is no stagnancy anymore. There is no uncertainty anymore. Like, you know exactly this is what you want, and it is coming into your life. There is no uncertainty, like it already happened. I'm already getting this energy of it already happened. There is no uncertainty, there is no room for uncertainty. Things are going to play out very smoothly for you, and you are going to meet a lot of potential people who is going to help you thrive in life. All right, like you are manifesting a lot of good things, like all your good karma. This is, you're entering into the space of good karmic period in your life, where it all feels nice and smooth and harmonious. Yeah, making a choice, you got to there is going to be a situation which will be shown to you where you got to make a choice between two opportunity or two people or something that is going to put you in the space of little distortion for a while. But however, your guides and angels are definitely sure that you are going to take the right decision towards whatever this situation is showing you, and you'll be victorious. Multiple opportunities will be presented to you, and they're like tune into your intuition, and we know you're going to make the right choice, right decision, and there is nothing that you should be worrying about. There may be a situation where you will have to take certain decisions, certain bold decisions, like how to move forward. Is this happening too fast? Like this is going to overwhelm you. When door is open, it is going to flood in all your blessings and miracles that were pending in your life because of the divine timing or whatever the issue was. It is finally opening. The doors are going to open. Like, you will be confused and overwhelmed with, wow, what choice should I make? How is this happening? Everything is happening so quick, and this is going to overwhelm you a little bit in a good way. And your guides and angels are telling you, you know what, you are ready and wise enough to take right decisions in your life, and we trust you. And also they're telling you, you'll have to trust your own intuition to make the right choice. All right, and that is going to bring you more luck and opportunity for the days to come, months to come, and years to come. This is good. This is amazing. Group number 1. And also we have card number 1 and the bone collector, and we have a wise elder here, and also this is a blessing from your ancestors. You have a very strong ancestral connection. Yeah, you sort of breaking out of your out of a curse, sort of, like, you know, like lineage that your ancestors have been carrying a pattern, sort of, and you're breaking free. You're breaking out of certain pattern from you know, that your family has been carrying. You're doing something out of norms that normally your family wouldn't agree for anybody else to do. You're sort of breaking rules, breaking chains, and there is a very unique energy signature to you. You are very peculiar in your family. Like, you are absolutely unique. People might have also told you that you are unique in a way. Like, your family member may sometimes question you, like, wow, is this the right thing to do? Are you allowed to do this? And things like that. People may stop you from you experiencing your authentic self, and that is the energy that I'm getting. Like, you're going to stand up for your truth, your authenticity, whether or not anybody from your family have done that before, whether it is conventional or not. You're going bold, right? That is what the energy that I'm getting for the next 6 months. You're going to go bold. You're going to go all the way, and you're going to do what is that you want to do. And the ancestral energy is really supporting you, helping you to break out of this generational pattern. And they're encouraging you to follow your heart, and you have enough knowledge and wisdom. Like, you have mastered something in your life, or you have learned your spiritual lessons through whatever the situation that was thrown at you, and you have successfully pass the test or the exam that was given to you by the universe, and now it's time for you to claim your reward. And that is the phase of life that you're entering into. That is super amazing. Group number 1, this is what you can expect in next 6 months. It is all good. Like, everything is showing up so beautiful, and there may be a little bit of overwhelming energy where you may have to take certain choices, decision. You may have to let go of people, things, situations that is not serving you, and it is only raising your vibration. It is only to raise your vibration to an extent where you manifest all good things into your life, and don't restrict it. All right, so the cards that fell down for you is power. Take hold of what you know is yours. Exactly, this is the energy that I was getting, like getting into your power. You are owning your life, you're taking things under your control. Take hold of what you know is yours. And then we have Mexican marigold, renewal, time to begin again, stronger and better. Yeah, this is your second chapter or second version of your life story, group number 1. Like you're going to start writing a new story, new chapter altogether, and this is a brand new phase that is about to that you are about to enter into. And this is giving me a lot of beautiful vibes here, group number 1. Trust me, I'm super happy and thrilled for you. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. If you want a personal reading, my website link or my email address is in the description box. You can click on that and you can book your personal reading as well. So that's all for now. See you soon. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Welcome, group number 2. If you have selected this happy Buddha or a happy man with a sack full of gold. All right, so with this energy, what is that I'm getting is like there is some sort of gift. Yeah, this sack is definitely giving me the vibes of Santa, like some sort of gift or a sudden turn of events or something that is very favorable to you. Like you never thought that you will be able to do certain things. You're going to try out things that you have never tried before. Like it is going to be very unique and different to you. There is a lot of uniqueness that I'm getting, the energy of uniqueness. Out of norms, like you wouldn't normally do such thing, but you feel the urge to do certain things or try certain things that is not you. Like that will be out of normal to the people around you, but you sort of feel this bringing, or rather aligning yourself to your own energy. Like you don't want to imitate or pretend or be like somebody else. That is what I'm getting. However, this is very unique. I'm trying to understand what are they trying to tell me, but they are definitely showing me different images and visions where you're doing things out of normal which you wouldn't do. Like you will be feeling that you've maybe starting to feel a little different about yourself, like you want to be your own self and you'll not be following others, you'll not be following the regular herd, and you want to be the leader of your own pack. And yeah, sort of leadership energy, like you may get promoted to the next level in your career, but there is something that you're taking into the next level. That is because you own up and stand up for your own authentic truth, though it feels very out of sorts and abnormal to others, but now you're stepping into your own authentic energy. Yeah, we have this 4 of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. Something related to your money, career, business, your financial situations, and so appropriately we have this laughing Buddha or this happy man, and this talks about money and some sort of gift that is coming your way. Yeah, you're going to finally release this control out of the situation and explore things in a very different way. Like you're going to look at things in a very different way. Like your perception shift is what I'm seeing. A major perception shift, group number 2, towards everything that you believed so far, and you're going to make a lot of changes in your life with related to your lifestyle, with related to how you think, how you perceive people, situation, business, career, whatever it is. And you are definitely going to take some steps which is going to take you closer to your desired outcome. All right, this shift in perception is what is going to take you closer to your desired outcome, whatever that you have been desiring to manifest or achieve in your life. This could very well be success, monetary growth, getting into the next level. This all feels a lot of business entrepreneur energy. Stepping into your power, your uniqueness will be recognized is what I'm hearing. There is a lot of recognition is also coming your way when it comes to your work, job, career related. People are going to recognize your uniqueness once you stop being afraid of being you. All right, that is the key here, group number 2. You have to be your own authentic self and not following others, and that is what is going to give you power. And this perception shift is what is going to bring in a lot of manifestation in terms of money, abundance into your life. Group number 2. Okay, we have rejoice and celebration, and then we have heart chakra. Yeah, this perception shift is all about shifting the way you look at things, like connecting your own energy, uniqueness, your own authentic self to everything. This heart chakra, a lot of green going on here. Even for the group number 1, it was all about green and heart chakra and other things, but for you it is very much connected to your emotional availability to whatever you putting your energy into. Like, are you completely investing in what you're doing? If you're not enjoying what you're doing, it's like you're going to take a decision in terms of whether this is suitable for you or not, and you're going to change the way you look at things, or you're going to change the things altogether. Like a major revamp energy is what I'm getting here, and you're going to get into your authentic self. Like more than money, now it is going to be about your emotional satisfaction. You're shifting your perception from materialistic happiness to your spiritual happiness or your emotional fulfillment, and that is what is going to be the game changer for you, group number 2, where that is what is going to align you towards the money and abundance that you actually deserve in life. All right, when you stop running behind things and you halt, you pause, and you reflect whether is this how you want to lead your life, like running behind things, or you want to just stand there and admire everything around you and stand your ground, fill your heart with happiness and contentment, and suddenly what you want just appears in front of you. And that is the example, or that is the best I can explain, because that is what I'm feeling. Like you're going to go after emotional fulfillment more so than materialistic fulfillment, and that is what is going to bring you joy, happiness, rejoice, lot of celebration in your life, like lot of major revamp and shift in perception, shift in energy, shift in raise in consciousness, raise in vibration. Like you're going to make a lot of changes in your life in next 6 months, group number 2. Like every area of your life, you're going to like take stock of everything that is going on in your life, and you like, wow, is this really for me, or should I make any changes, or is this person really good for my health, good for my mind, and like, wow, I mean, this is not working out anymore, I should do something about it. Like that is how you're going to take stock of every area of your life, and you decide what remains and what goes. And that is the kind of energy that I'm feeling here, group number 2. And this is a major transformational period for you. Yeah, thinking, man, a lot of thinking, like what is really precious, what is really important for me, for my emotional growth, for my growth overall, right? And also I have this feathers. This is giving me a major vibe. Oh, look at that, we have feather already here, like strategy, journaling, thinking, major inner work, Like you'll be thinking and taking stock and coming up with the strategy of life, coming up with the plan of what really remains, what stays, what leaves, and what is important to you. You sort of taking a pause, like you're clicking on this pause button here, and that is actually is going to be so much beneficial for your mind, body and soul, for your alignment and for your growth. This is a major growth period for you, group number 2. Take complete advantage of this period. Take complete stock of where you stand in life as of today, and that is going to bring in a lot of changes, and this is necessary, this is inevitable, that is what I'm getting. Like this momentary pause is definitely required for you to take stock of everything and then go ahead with awareness, all right, rather than running in some direction without knowing where is this direction taking you, or is this whether or not you want to be running at all. Instead, you take a conscious choice with an awareness whether you want to pursue this running, or would you want to go in a different direction. So that is how they are showing. Like they're showing like you're running, and then you pause, and then you think whether you want to run in this direction or whether you want to run at all. I'm sorry, it is like it feels like I'm just blabbering, but that is how they're explaining that is how the energies will feel like for you next 6 months, where you are going to analyze and take stock of everything in your life and then move forward with complete awareness, and and you'll be making a lot of conscious choice, conscious decision, and live life with that awareness, with that heightened understanding of what really matters to you, how emotional fulfillment is greater than the materialistic fulfillment. So there is a major perception shift that you can expect, group number 2. And then slow and steady. Yeah, this is exactly what I was telling, like you're going to take it slow. It is not going to be a period where you are going to take a lot of actions, sign a lot of contracts and things like that. Rather, this 6 months is going to be the period of slow and steady, and understand things whole new awareness altogether, and then move forward and make a conscious decisions in life. And then goblins. Yeah, goblins give me a major energy of deceivement. More than deceivement, the energy, the unwanted energy, like cluttered energy, blocked energies, the energy that doesn't serve you, situation, people, materials that you own. So that is the goblin energy that I'm getting. The major revamp, clearing, cleansing, clearing period in your life for you, group number 2. And also this journaling, writing down, this gives me a major vibes of internal transformation, major perception shift, and taking things slowly, raising your consciousness and acting from your heart, listening to your heart's desire, and then following it through, rather than just running haphazard manner here and there. You finally get a structure into your life in next 6 months, and then you know where you're going, what exactly you're doing, and even if there are any surprises, you'll be ready to deal with that in a much more emotionally intelligent way, rather than just like panicking and worrying about things. You're definitely getting into the space of much more heightened awareness. All right. Yeah, that is what you can expect in next 6 months. But before we wind up, let's see what other messages that your guides and angels have for you. Yeah, you got to lose control. I mean, not lose control, like you got to let it go. Like this is the time for you to leave that string that you're trying to pull, though it is so hard, like you're hurting your hand, your palm, and it is paining. This is the time for you to release control of that string, and then just stand and observe, like, was this really important for me to be dragging such a heavy weight? Or was this your job at all to drag that heavy weight? So again, they are talking about what is really important in life for you. That is the energy. Like virility, shake it up a little, you got this. Yeah, though it feels a little difficult and like things are very slow, but trust me, this is absolutely important for you. This is the most crucial period in life, more than taking actions, running errands and things like that. This self-reflection period is absolutely important for anybody and everybody before going further, and the time has come for you to take this pause and reflect. Assertiveness, rise up, stand strong, and stand stronger and true. Yeah, this is the time for you to be really true to yourself, your own authentic self. Assert your power, assert your will towards all area of your life. Then with the conscious awareness, move forward. So next 6 months is going to be a major reflective, self-reflective period for you, major perception shifts for you, letting go of things, taking stock of things, and deciding what is really important to you. Like, and also there is some sort of unexpected turn of events is also that something you can expect, some sort of that you never thought possible. Doing out of norms, you'll be doing a lot of things out of norms in next 6 months. All right, get ready for this. I am actually getting this energy of adventurous. Though they are talking about taking a pause, it still feels adventurous to me. All right, yeah, that's all I'm getting for you, group number 2. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. If you want a personal reading, you can click on the website link that is there in the description box, or you can email me, and the information is there in the description box again. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Welcome, group number 3. If you have selected this beautiful tortoise, this reading is for you. For you, group number 3, I'm getting this energy of sort of heaviness or stagnancy, or things were really slow and dry. Like you have been going through a major life lessons, lot of lessons basically in life. Not sure in which area, but you have been going through some heaviness in life, and there is some sort of relief that is coming your way, is what I'm hearing. A relief, a sort of good luck, breaking out of this pattern. Like some sort of good luck is what I'm hearing. You will be breaking out of this pattern, and then something unexpected, which is good, that is happening in your favor. Okay, yeah, definitely a lot of heavy energy. We have 10 of swords and 2 of swords, and this is definitely not easy energy to handle. A lot of anxieties, leaning towards depression, worrying, not sure which direction to take. Like you have come to this dead end where you don't know which direction to go, or how things are going to sort, whether things are going to ever get sorted at all or not. What is that you're supposed to be doing? Will this period will ever change? Will this ever come to an end? So there is a lot of questions, worrying, anxiety, overthinking, sleepless nights, fatigue, tiredness, headaches. You're physically and mentally tired as of now. Yeah, that is exactly what I was telling. Like you have been going through some major life lessons for you to learn and grow and evolve, and that is how we grow, right? When we learn things, when we try to overcome them, we grow, we evolve, and that doesn't scare us anymore. And this sort of, every obstacle sort of sets a benchmark for us, like, wow, if I can deal with this, I can deal with anything. And that gives you a sort of confidence, and you're going through that period of life lessons, a spiritual learning for you in this time. And I'm not sensing like in next 6 months this is going to start. I'm already feeling that you are in this process of learning some sort of painful events, something that is really bothering you. And I think that the relief that they are talking about is related to this situation, like giving you some sort of hope, an unexpected luck, change of luck and things like that. You're going to see the light at the end of the tunnel is what I'm hearing. You have been going through this for quite a period of time, and they're telling like you're going to see that light at the end of the tunnel. You have come a long way, and do not give up on yourself is what I'm hearing. And temptation, memories of love. For some of you, this is a grieving period. You lost somebody and you have been going through this grieving period. It has really not been easy for you, and this loved one is coming here very strongly and telling you that things are going to change, things are going to turn around, and you will not be in the space of grieving for a very long period of time. You are going to shift. And for others of you, like you have been tied to this temptation, which is a devil energy here, that is ego driving ego driving your car. Like you are not in the steering anymore and somebody else is driving your car, and you are a mere victim, like you can't do anything. That is the energy that I'm getting, and you'll be breaking out of this. And your ancestors, and beautifully enough, all the three piles, I'm getting a lot of ancestral energy who are there helping and assisting at this time, and you are no different. There is a lot of ancestral energy that I'm feeling who is helping you to learn these lessons and move forward and break out of this pattern. And yeah, you are sort of getting out of a pattern. You will be overcoming this obstacle and feeling a sense of hope and a relief is what I'm hearing for you, group number 3. You will be definitely granted a rite of passage is what I'm hearing. Like you will suddenly feel this momentary shift in energy, and then that acts as a rite of passage for you to lift your energy from there and release this heaviness, the burden, that overthinking that you're carrying. Your financial constraints and victory. See, look at that, how different of this energy is. Like financial constraints, everything is empty. There is cobweb everywhere, and then we have victory here. You're overcoming a major obstacle, financial constraint. For some of you, you are definitely dealing with financial constraints. Wow, how long you have come to a place where you cannot go like this anymore. You have come to a place where you got to take certain decisions of getting out of this energy and doing something about it, and not sitting and cry about it, not blaming anybody about it, not overthinking about it. And you will reach this space where you will be given a rite of, they are repeating the word rite of passage, like a momentary shift in energy, like a surge of energy, and you finally get it. Like, wow, why am I crying about it? Let me do something about it. Then just cry. Yeah, I'll cry as well, but I'm also going to do something about it, not just cry about it. And that is going to sort of give you the boost to go after whatever that you feel like doing in life, and not falling prey for this ego-centric living anymore. Like you're going to get into heart space and live from your heart's desire, and not egocentric, ego-based life. All right. And for others of you who are grieving, who feel like they have lost everything, maybe you lost a very dear one in your life, and then you're definitely going to get out of this grieving period, and you start feeling that sunshine again on your body, and you will start living your life normally again. Although it may not feel the same, but it is definitely going to be the new you. So this part is not for everybody, but for majority of you, this is definitely about overcoming obstacles, coming up with new strategies. You're taking actions along with worrying and crying. That is a little portion of it which still sort of there in you, but you will also be taking the actions that is desired to change the situation. So I'm also seeing this relief, or this change in luck happens when you take the decision about not blaming anybody else, but rather you taking action towards what is really important and what you feel that is really important for you to do at this time of life. And yeah, you're definitely going to break out of this cycle in the next 6 months, and your spiritual family, that is your guides and angels, are definitely acknowledging all that you have gone through in your life, and they are also telling that you are going to see that light at the end of the tunnel. Do not give up, you are almost there. But before that, you got to take decision. And also we have Two of Swords here, that is about making decision, whether you want to sit in that space of darkness and cry forever, or are you going to stand up even though there is dark and decide to walk ahead and see what shows up. Like you're not scared anymore, and that is when ego loses its grip, and then you can go forward and achieve and bring in this victory into your life. And I want to take a very deeper look at this card. This is victory. This is your heart desire that is coming true. Alright, so you will emerge victoriously no matter how bad, how chaotic, or whatever situation that you are in. This is the hope that they're trying to bring into your life at this point in time, that there is victory that is promised here already, and you're going to achieve that. You're going to go there, you're going to pass and walk out of that tunnel and reach that light. Alright, and and they're also telling you will have to for you to understand the beauty of light, you should first understand what is darkness. The people who knows what is darkness can only respect the beauty of light, and that is one of the prime reasons why we go through what we go through, so that we value what we have, right? And yeah, that is a major life lesson that you're going through. Magical map shifter. Yeah, things are going to shift for you, group number 3. Definitely things are going to shift, and it is all happening in a divine order to help you grow, evolve, learn, and become a better version of yourself, make you more confident. And like if you can go through this, you can go through anything sort of energy, and that is going to put you in a major confident being confident space. Yeah, this is going to give you a major boost of energy, that wow, I was able to overcome this, and you never thought you'll be able to overcome this, and this is going to give you a major energy boost, like giving a lot of self-confidence, self-worth, and you will sort of fall in love with your own self. Flying, absolutely. So this is, see how the energies were so dense in the beginning, and then now it is starting to shift towards the lighter this golden energy now. Like things are shifting for you in a very a beautiful way for you, group number 3. I'm really happy for you, and I mean we definitely don't have to feel sad for whatever we have gone through. These situations made us who we are today, and you should only be you should be, just be grateful for all that happened to you, and because of those situations you are so strong and so bold and confident today, and energies are shifting so beautifully for you from the temptation, 9 of swords, financial constraints, the cobweb, to victory, and then the shifting, and then the flying. So this is a major step-by-step transformation that you're going through, and trust me, it is going to be worth it. Your weight going to be worth, it is going to be worth your weight, your patience, all that you have been determined to learn out of the situation. But before all this happens, you'll have to take that decision to stand up and walk anyway. Even if you're crying, it doesn't matter. You got to stand up and walk and do what is that you got to do, and that is where you'll get the rite of passage for you to take a leap and get out of this energy. Okay, sunflower, assertiveness, rise up, stand stronger and true. Absolutely, this is what we have been talking about. Rise up, stand stronger and true. So that is the key for you in next 6 months, group number 3. One last card. Health. Focus on all parts to make the whole. Yeah, take care of your health as well. There is going to be a major shift in terms of your health status as well. If you have been going through a lot of physical pain due to anxiety, worry, overthinking, depression and all those things, your health is also going to improve in next 6 months. You're going to feel much better before 2021 ends, and then you'll be overcoming a lot of things, and things are shifting for you in a very orderly way, like how it is planned. Things are going according to the plan. All right, it is all about you making a decision of standing up, rise up and walk anyway, right? That is what is going to change the whole game for you, right? Yeah, that's all I'm waiting for you, group number 3. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. If you want a personal reading, all the details are there in the description box. You can get in touch with me. All right, yeah, that's all I have. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.